you're looking to come to Prime, you're looking to get your CDL. Has my videos played a part in you deciding to come to Prime? Put me down as a referral. Driver code Maturo, M-A-T-U-R-O. Also, don't forget to put down Nikki Yost as well.
Hey, I'm a recruiter here at Prime. I'd love to work with you. List me as, on the application as the recruiter that you talk to, along with Junior's referral. We make a great team. We'll take care of you. My direct phone number is 417-521-3598.
Which is the best, guys? All right, so he's got to back up. All right, so he's got to back up to door 8. Just gonna let him do his thing. Plenty of space, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna stand to kind of give him a guide for where he's gotta go. So I'm gonna stand to my right here. Right here, man. Right here. All right, come on. He's doing his thing. I'm just letting him do his thing. We got plenty of space. You know, I want him to see the errors for himself. Ready.
Ryan Little.
Yoga. So the line?
The lines, man.
All right, so if you can't see the lines, you gotta guide yourself with the dock.
Okay.
Which is dock bumpers.
Okay.
Bitch, I wanna party like Chris Farley.